Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me, Louise Egan from Wordpress.com. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your own email address on your hosting provider. Basically, if you have a domain name, I'm going to show you how to get an email address with that domain name in it. It just looks very professional if you have your own website, especially if you're doing e-commerce or something like that where people are communicating with you regularly. It looks very professional. So let's get started.
Okay, so when you're setting up your email, the first thing you want to do is going to your hosting provider. So for me, it's Black Knight, and you're going to log into your account. So put in your details here, and you'll go straight to your control panel, and this is what it looks like. You're going to go into email. So you can see I have a couple of different emails set up for my different websites, but we're going to set up a new one because you haven't got one yet. So click on new email address, and we're going to go on for new service user because you haven't got one made yet. So click on next. Now, so your display name, this is what it will come up as when somebody gets an email from you, what it'll show in the from part. So, it could be your name, it could be your business name. It's just basically more professional than just having the email show up there. So you make that whatever you want. I'll just make it Louise. Email. So your domain should be here, the domain that you just bought. You can, if you have a couple, you can pick from which one you want. But let's say I'm going to go with this one, and I'll do Louise at officiallouiseegan.com. Now, the great thing about Black Knight is they actually give you 5 email addresses for each domain name. So you could actually come in here 5 times and set up 5 different email addresses. If you wanted to look kind of professional, and you could have it so that, let's say, you have support and you have customer care, or you have the different departments, or even if you did have somebody working for you, you could set up different emails for you and for them, so that uh, that you each have your own email. So you can just repeat this again once you're finished this, and that's how you'll set up another one. Just change this. So then you can put in your password. I'd recommend that you just get Black Knight to generate a password for you because it'll just be more secure. So that's all done, and you can click next. So next we have just a bit more setup. You can leave this all alone, just create a mailbox and have a mailbox quota and whatnot. Now this is a very interesting, mail forwarding. So you can set it up so that anything that comes to mail@officiallouiseegan.com will actually get forwarded to another email address. So if you don't think you're going to be checking this email too much, or if you didn't want to actually put it onto your phone, or if, for example, you had a Windows phone which actually won't allow you to put your email onto your phone, then this would be very handy because you can forward, let's say you can forward this to a Gmail address, so that way you can access it on all your devices. But it's not necessary. I'm going to show you how to access it on your devices anyway, but I'm just saying the option is there. And this might be good, let's say if you have set up maybe 3 emails for this, and you have support and you have team and different things, team at officiallouiseegan.com or whatever it is. If you want them all to go to you and you don't want to be checking 3 different email addresses, you can just put the other email addresses in here, and it all gets sent to one email. So that would be quite handy. So notification, you can notify yourself when this email receives an email. That might be handy if you want. For now, I'm going to click next. Oh, I'm just going to uncheck this. But yeah, you can set that up as you want. So now it's basically all set up. We have all our details in, and we can just click finish. Now, so as you can see, mail@officiallouiseegan.com is right in here. It's all set up. Now, you may not be able to set it up on your phone yet because, as you can see, it says it's not in sync yet. But I'll show you how to do it, and if it doesn't work right now, you can try again in maybe an hour. Anyway, for now, these are the very important things that you need to see. So when you create your email address, it'll show these to you, and the POP servers, IMAP, and SMTP servers. That's how you're going to set it up on your phone.
So there you go. I hope your email is now set up on your domain name. If you'd like to see how to basically put it onto different devices, you can follow on to my next videos. I have a video showing how to put it onto Apple devices, onto Android phones, and onto your laptop. So if you follow along, you can watch them videos. As you're only starting now with your email and you're only setting it up on your hosting now, if you'd like to check out my complete WordPress course, the link is in the description. Basically, it'll take you from where you are now, setting up your email on your hosting and everything, to building your website, picking your team, putting in all the content, and just having your complete e-commerce website done, having your blog done, having whatever website you're building, having it completely done, and it'll basically make the learning curve a lot shorter. Like it could go like I did. I actually learned from YouTube and from blogs, but it took me the guts of a year to actually get up to the place where I was able to properly edit my website and know what I was doing, and not have any problems, whereas this will just shorten down that learning curve and you'll get your website done an awful lot faster. So if you'd like to check that out, the link is in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. Let me know in the comments if there's any videos you'd like to see me do in the future, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Thanks very much. See you then.